Hey everyone, Milan here, back again for the final video, okay, of this free course. Now, I'm sure you have gotten a lot of valuable insights from this. It literally took me 22 years of my living experience to really dig deep into all the things I learned from all of my experiences, take them together into one value-packed video for you. Those of you that have made it to this, congrats. You are the type of people that is exactly going to make it far in life, because where other people failed to finish, you're the one that stuck around. So if you're still here, let me tell you this, okay? This is my guarantee. You can quote me on this, okay? If you apply everything I mentioned in this free course in the next, say, 6 to 12 months, within the next 6 to 12 months, word to word, okay, you haven't neglected anything and you still haven't hit 5 figure months, okay, reach out to me and I will literally give you $1,000. You can tell me I've tried every single thing you said word to word and it didn't work. Okay, I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna give you $1,000 because that's how confident I am that this system that I've laid out works, not only for me but so many people. Okay, of course you need to have the right messaging, the right offer, the right audience, so many things in goes between, but you need to be the one to actually figure those out. Okay, these aren't things that are impossible to do. Okay, this isn't mission impossible. Some of this thing will take you maybe days, weeks, and most likely months. Okay, these things aren't obvious. It does take time to learn. But if you're someone that is thinking, wait a minute, I'm ready to take action, I see the potential, I see the value, then feel free to book a call with me right now. Again, completely free, no pitching, just 30 minutes of your time and my time, and we're gonna see exactly how we can help you. Okay, this isn't to pitch you any offers we have. Of course, if you want, you can take our upgraded course and really get our standard operating procedures that I use to acquire my own clients, and a lot of golden nuggets that are, covering messenger conversations, how to use latest and greatest technology, really automate, more in depth, looking at how we look into mindsets, how to shift your positioning, how to look at copywriting master classes, thinking like an entrepreneur. These shifts are so vital when it comes to aiding multiple 5 figure business and a successful business at that. I want to get you guys profitable. So if you're someone remotely even interested in what I have to show you, when you come to the consultation and the overall course, feel free to book a call. Again, I'll have the link down in the description. You won't even have to go through my team. Usually they're the gatekeepers before people come to me. I'm gonna leave the link down here. Just pick a time, no complaint, no objection. Tell me, feel free to fill out a couple of questions so I know what to expect and really give you the type of help you need to get momentum in your business. I'm all about momentum and results. So if you're someone who's sick and tired of not getting anywhere, successfully in the digital world, I'd love to help. Feel free to message me. And thank you so much for taking the course. I really appreciate your time and value it. If you have any feedback, feel free to message me on Facebook or email me. I'd love to hear it either way. Thank you and bye.